Manifest Money Now Activation Frequency. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Manifest Money Now Activation Frequency. What is vibration, and more importantly, what does it have to do with law of attraction? Well, to put it in a nutshell, vibration is everything. We use all our senses of touch, taste, smell, sight and vision. All our senses interpret those things because of vibration. Think of it like this: when you are listening to loud music and the speaker begins to vibrate. Have you ever thought what causes this? Probably not. It is vibration. Vibrations do not just operate in the auditory, sound, world. Vibrations are operating with all senses. Think of a TV and how you need to have the correct vibrational signal to receive a particular television channel. As you may now notice, vibration is a part of everything in life. Science has now proven that thought gives off energy, or a frequency, in other words a vibratory frequency. Now the wonderful thing is, if our thoughts give of thought energy or thought vibrations. This means that what comes into our lives is attracted or not attracted to us dependent on the vibrations we send out. So as you may have gathered, law of attraction and vibration are crucial to getting the law of attraction working for you effectively. How do we change our vibrational rate? That is the easy or fun part of it. The thing is, you are doing it every day when you carry out an activity that is fun. If you are listening to music, reading an enjoyable book, carrying out your hobby you enjoy. In fact, there are numerous ways that you are changing your vibration. I hear you ask, why is my life not changing then? The truth is, the good feelings you have in doing those things is probably not enough to tip the balance. In other words, the things you do that create a negative or mediocre feeling are more dominant within you. The easy thing to do then is to begin right now. Whenever you are in a situation where you feel discomfort or negativity, instead of getting caught up in the negative emotion, begin to think about the things you do that feel good. With enough practice and playfulness on your part, you will begin to tip the balance the other way. This will allow you to be in a more positive state to receive whatever it is you have asked the universe to bring. Law of attraction and vibration. Now you can see just how crucial vibration is, and how your emotions can change your vibration. You can begin to make a choice about what you attract and manifest into your experience, instead of attracting and manifesting by default what you are observing. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.